Hello, everyone. I've missed the last 4 days.
I think it's 3.
I think it's 4. I've missed some days, and I do apologize.
We had some things we had to do, though.
We were out of town, and I forgot to bring my advent calendars with me. So we're going to do the missing days all in, what do you call it? What's the word? All in a row, but as separate videos. I was going to say succession. So let's get started with day number 19?
Really? Wow.
20?
You better double check.
Let's check. I have a 20. I don't have a 19. Okay, so we're only 3 days.
Told you.
So Revolution Makeup, day 20. It's a little tiny rectangular. Oh, it's a travel brush. Whoop-de-doo.
Whoop-de-doo.
We got a travel brush on day 19, I'm pretty sure.
No way. 2 days in a row?
Yeah.
Is that it there, or is that the other one?
No, the other one was flat. This one has an angle.
Oh my god.
So, not terribly exciting, but it's good quality. I won't use it. These are going to be very quick. Okay. Next up is NYX's Love Lust Disco Box. Day 20. Sorry, I got cut off. How rude. So day 20 is right here of the Love Lust Disco Box. And it looks like either a highlighter or a lip color. Getting down to the wire, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cannot believe it. I'm still not ready. It is almost Christmas. I still have things to buy. Ooh. What did we get, Jason? So we got a NYX Cosmic Metals lip cream in the shade CMLC.
What's that mean?
I don't know what that means.
That's a new one to me.
Yep. Sorry. Oh, CMLC Metropolitan Night. And it is very gold. Let's see if we can open it in one try, which would be a miracle. Oh, yeah, no. Oh, yeah, no. 25 attempts, and I'll have the sucker open. Okay, so that is what that looks like, and we'll give it a little swatch. We always have such a pleasant aroma. Well, that's a very nice gold cream color. Wouldn't that be a nice eyeshadow too, Jason? That's very similar to the, I guess it's not, to the highlighter we got the day before.
It's not, you think?
No, it is very similar, don't you think?
Oh, I thought you said it's not. Sorry.
Well, I don't know what I said. It's been a long day. And we are now at boxycharm. Oh, it's getting light.
Doesn't look like.
It feels like day 20. I cannot wait for the bottom one. So here at the top, is this 20?
No, down. Bottom left on you.
You see?
Yeah.
Oh. Day 20. You know, I do like saving up these videos because I'm going to get to open, get 9 presents.
Yeah. How many is this now? 3?
This is 3.
Oh.
It's heavy. Oh, it looks like we might have got a nail color. That's a beautiful
wow.
shade.
It's the same as those other.
This one's like a rose gold though. So this is from the brand Morgan Taylor. So hard to read on glossy things. Oh my goodness. In the shade Copper Dream. That is a really pretty color, isn't it? Why do I always smell nail polish?
I don't know.
Nail polish smells the same. Let's just do my pinky real quick here. Well, that's beautiful. It didn't even drip. So that is the shade. So it's a very nice pink copper, I would say, color. Yeah, so I'm pleased about that. All right, day 20. It was an okay day, very glittery day, festive. So I will go that the nail polish is my favorite thing today. And then this nice lip cream. And then this travel brush. This will be good for one of the girls, Jay, for their little makeup bags. Because it's like,
the other one
it's
too.
smaller size. Yeah, so I think I'll divvy these up between at least 2 of my nieces. I'm not sure if my 3rd niece is old enough for fancy makeup yet. She's only 2. But my 3-year-old niece and my 4-year-old niece, they love makeup. So that was day 20. Thank you for joining us. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing and maybe watching some of my other videos, I'd very much appreciate it. Have a great day. Have a great night. Have a great week. And I will see you tomorrow for day 21, which will be this day because I've missed a couple.